Now, see, for instance, y equals to 7x5 minus 3x cubed plus 2x minus 5 over x. Okay, this is a new question. Okay, so this is my new question. Y equals to 7x power 5 minus 3x cubed plus 2x minus 5 over x. Okay, Usman, we haven't done anything new. We have just repeated what we have done yesterday, and I'm just continuing with yesterday's thing. So we haven't done anything new in this one. Okay, so y equals to, first of all, uh, before starting with my differentiation, there is a x over here in the denominator and there are single term. So what I'm doing, I'm shifting it. Y equals to 7x5 minus 3x cubed plus 2x minus 5 x power minus 1. I haven't started my differentiation because as you can see, it is y written over there, not dy over dx. It means I haven't started my differentiation. I have just simplified it to make my differentiation easy, right? So now there is nothing else I can do over here. So now I'm writing dy over dx equals to 7535 x power 5 minus 1 will be 4 minus 3x, sorry, 3 multiplied by this 3 will be 9x square plus 1 over here, 1 multiplied by 2 will be 2. This will become x to the power 0. Minus 1 multiplied by minus 5 will become plus 5. And this power reduced by 1 will be minus 1 minus 1. The last power on x will be minus 1 minus 1. Okay. Now, after this, simplifying it further, 35x4 minus 9x square plus 2. This will become x to the power minus 2. And when I will simplify it, it will become x square dy over dx. Okay, this is the thing. This is how we are going to solve our question over here. Now, I am giving you 1 minute, all of you. On your WhatsApp, tell me that you are getting everything. Everything is okay. Write okay, all of you. If it is not okay, then write what is the problem over there so I can try to overcome with that one. On your WhatsApp group, no individual message. If everything is okay, just write okay in your message. On WhatsApp, if there is something wrong, any video problem, zoom in, zoom out problem, anything, then write that thing below. Okay, Ibrahim is saying camera is shaking. Okay. अच्छा बेटा सही है. I have got the things from you guys. Okay. 1 minute. Let me. ओके बेटा, ओके। हाँ बेटा, कैमरा ओके हुआ है क्योंकि पंखा बंद हुआ है, ठीक है। अब आपके सर को जो है ना वो गर्मी में पढ़ाएंगे, सही है। हम लोगों को टेक्नोलॉजी ने कहाँ कहाँ पहुंचा दी है, राइट। सो अच्छा बेटा, नाउ if because some of the people were saying they were having problem in some step, but now they are saying that sir it is clear. So if still you are having problem, I am just explaining it again so you can understand what is happening over here. Listen beta, first of all this was my question, okay, which was given to us, and in this question what we have done over here, I have seen कि okay there is a x over there in the denominator under 5. So first of all I have shifted it over here and it becomes x to the power minus 1. It means if you have got anything in the denominator that is a variable, not a number, number will not work, number will be okay, okay, if it is number let it go, it will not make any difference, okay. But if it is a variable, then try to shift it in the numerator, especially if it is that numerical variable with respect to which you are differentiating. Like over here I am differentiating with respect to x, so that's why I have shifted this x which was in the denominator in the numerator. Again I am telling you beta, write it somewhere that if variable is in the denominator and you can shift it in numerator, then do it. If variable is in denominator and it can be shifted in numerator, then shift it. If a number is given in denominator, then no shifting is required. Then no shifting is required. Okay? Mahad, any problem, beta? Everything is good? Mahad Imran? Okay. Right. So now, after this, I have shifted x over here. Now what I am doing, beta? I am taking all powers and multiplying it by coefficient. I am taking all the powers and I am multiplying it by coefficient, like this one with this. Nothing is written over here, so it will be 1. So 1 multiplied by this and power minus 1 multiplied by this thing. Okay, after this, nothing else can be done over here, so I am starting my differentiation. Differentiate with respect to x. You don't have to write this statement again and again. When you will write this thing, I will understand okay, from this point differentiation is starting. I am just writing it over here because I can, you guys know, you can know right now okay, sir is going to start with differentiation. Okay, so what I have done, 5 into 7 is 35 and power of 5 is reduced by 1. Okay, so 5 becomes 4. Minus sign remains. 3 into 3 will be 9 and power is reduced by 1. 1 is there, 1 multiplied by 2 is 2 and power is reduced by 1. So power of x which was 1 is now 0. Minus 1 multiplied by minus 5 will be plus 5 and this one power of x which was minus 1 is again reduced by 1. After that, this is written as it is, this is written as it is, x to the power 0 is 1 and 1 multiplied by 2 will be 2, that's why I've written it over here, and this will become 5x to the power minus 2, so minus 2 I have shifted and it has become plus 2 in the denominator, x to the power square in the denominator. Okay, this is what we have done in this question. Now, if you have any confusion, you can ask. Okay. Yes, sir. Salam. Sorry, beta. Okay. So now all the working is in front of you. I don't think so. So if you have any confusion, you can ask again. I don't know why my WhatsApp is not. Any confusion, anything anyone want to ask, you can ask. Okay. If I'm not getting any message, so I will take it as a no. Okay, everything is clear. So I will be moving forward. Uh, okay. Let's do one more question. Okay. Now, one more thing, beta. Before starting with differentiation, if you can simplify your values, if you can simplify your equation, that would be better for you guys. Then you can simplify it first, and then you can start solving. Okay. Now, this is our chapter 15, and right now I'm working with 15.1, exercise 15.1. Okay, I'm giving you a question from book. Now I'm solving a question from book, so you can have a record also. Okay, this thing is there. So we are on page number 336, question number 1. I'm giving you F part, which we are going to solve. Y equals to 6 over x cube, y equals to 6 over x cube minus 1 over x plus 3. Okay, this is the thing. I'm giving you 1 minute, all of you, so you can try to solve this one. Okay, then we will work on over here on board. I'm giving you 1 minute, try it by yourself. I've given you in full time. So now, first of all, what I'm doing, there are two x in the denominator in separate terms, so I'm shifting it. 6x minus 3 minus x to the power minus 1 plus 3. Okay, this I have done. This is the only thing which I can do over here before differentiation. So now I am starting with my differentiation. Dy over dx equals to minus 18, minus 3 into 6 is minus 18, x power minus 3 minus 1. Right? Next thing, minus 1 multiplied by minus x will become plus x, and minus 1 minus 1. Last thing, that is a constant. Plus 3, that is a constant. So you know that I have told you that if it is a constant, what you have to do? The constant will be differentiated as a 0. Whatever is a constant, even if it is a million, doesn't make any difference. The constant differentiation, constant in a fraction, constant in a whole number, constant in a negative number, constant in a decimal number. Everything which is there, that will become 0. Okay, so dy over dx equals to, simplifying it, minus 18 x power minus 4 plus x minus 2, and that is gone. Dy over dx equals to minus 18 over x power 4 plus 1 over x square. Okay. Check it, all of you, that you have got the same answer or not. Okay. Who has sent me this? This is Mahadimran. Beta, over here you have put in a minus sign. That is wrong. Check it, beta, all of you. And Ahmed, your answer is correct, right? Don't start sending me pictures. Okay, I have just done it. You can check it by yourself. Okay, don't start sending me pictures. But if your answer is not matching with my answer, then you can send it to me and I can tell you, okay, what is wrong over there. Okay, so This is the thing. Now, I hope all of you have done it. Rajul, beta, any confusion? Ariba, any confusion, beta? Tahasaya, any confusion, beta? Zuhair, just
Perfect.
okay. Just nod your head and that's it. I can see you guys. Sara, any confusion, beta? Good. So the main thing which I have told you today, that is, whenever you are differentiating, first of all, try to simplify your things and then start your working. Okay. Now I'm doing a question of your book. That is your question number 2. And the question is, I'm doing question number 2E, right? That is 3x square plus x minus 1 over under root x. That is my question. Okay. And we are going to solve this one, right? So what I am going to do now, again a single denominator is there, but this time this single denominator is under every term. Okay. So what I am going to do, first of all, 3x square under root x plus x over under root x minus 1 over under root x. Okay, I have written this thing. After that, what I am going to do, I will be simplifying it. X square divided by under root x. Okay, it means what if this under root x, I can write it like this, so you guys can understand. Power half power half power half. Okay, I have written it in this way. Now x, shifting it over here, what will happen? 3x 2 power minus half plus x 1 minus power half minus x. Right now we are just working with simplified form. I'm not doing anything else. I'm just simplifying it. Okay. So 2 minus half will become 3 over 2. 3x power 3 over 2 plus x power half minus x power minus half. Okay. Next thing. This multiplied by this. 3 into 3 over 2 x power 3 over 2 minus 1 plus half shifted half minus 1 minus minus plus x minus half minus 1. This is my differentiation, dy over dx. Over here I have started differentiation. Before that it was just the value, and now I have started differentiation. Okay. Now simplified part, 3 3s are 9 over 2 x. Simplifying this, and I will be having my answer as half plus 1 over 2 x. Half minus 1 will become minus half, and this plus x will become minus 3 over 2. Okay, so the last part, last answer which we are going to have, I am solving it over here, beta. 9 over 2 under root x. This plus 1 over 2 x power minus half is there, so I have shifted it in denominator, and this will become like this, and this thing we can write it as 1 over under root x with whole cube, and this will be your final answer. Any confusion, anything you want to ask, you can ask, beta. Okay, you can ask this thing if you have. Again, algebraic differentiation. But today it is with whole power. Today it is with whole power. Okay. Today we are going to talk about whole power thing, how we are going to have whole power and how we are going to work it. So first of all, beta, put the heading of algebraic differentiation with whole power. All of you, put the heading of algebraic differentiation with whole power. Okay. Now, steps of solution. Seth, beta, keep your video open. Keep your video switched on so I can see you guys. Okay. Step number 1 will be the whole power of the bracket. The whole power of the bracket will be multiplied by the coefficient of bracket will be multiplied by the coefficient of bracket and whole power will be reduced by 1. Whole power will be reduced by 1. Step number 2. The terms inside the bracket, will be differentiated Step number 3, both differentiation will be multiplied. Both differentiation will be multiplied. Okay, I'm just revising it very quickly again. Okay, I'm just revising my sentence again, beta. Listen to me very carefully. Today we are doing with algebraic differentiation with whole power. And in algebraic differentiation with whole power, my first step will be, I will be multiplying the whole power of bracket with coefficient of bracket. Okay. Second step, and power of whole power will be reduced by 1. Second one will be I will be differentiating the terms which are inside the bracket, and my third step will be I will be multiplying both answers to get my result. Okay, so I hope all of you have written it. Now, for instance, this is exercise. Okay, don't worry, beta, just 1 minute. I can tell you one thing over here, then we will continue. Now, whole power we are going to start with. So, this is my exercise 15.2 question, which I am solving over here. And the question which I am taking is question number 1, part F, 1 minus x plus x square, and whole power is 3. Whole cube is 3. This is my question. Okay. And we are going to work according to this one. Now over here, what I'm seeing a whole power over here. So what I'm going to do, what I have told you guys, read your steps. Don't copy the example. Okay. This example is not necessary. The steps should be in your mind. Okay. So your step says the coefficient, the whole power of bracket will be multiplied by coefficient. If nothing is written over here, so it's 1. So what will I do? 3 bracket, power of bracket is reduced by 1. And whatever is inside the bracket, when you are working with whole power, whatever is inside the bracket, you will not change that thing. There will nothing be happening to that. 1 minus x plus x square. Okay, 1 minus x plus x square. This will be my first step. What I have done, whatever is written inside the bracket, as I am working on the whole power, so I will not do anything over here. It will be written as it is. Okay, and once I have got my whole power done, 3 multiplied by coefficient of bracket, and then whole power is reduced by 1. I haven't changed anything inside the bracket. It is written as it is. Okay. Second step, differentiate your bracket. Second step is differentiate whatever are the terms inside the bracket. You have to differentiate that thing. Okay. So over here, what is written inside the bracket? It is written 1 minus x plus x square. Okay, 1 minus x plus x square, that thing is written. So I'm going to differentiate. Differential of 1, that is a constant. So that will become 0. All of you know that. Then minus x is there. So the power of x is 1. 1 multiplied by minus will be minus 1. And power of x is reduced by 1. Next one, x square. So plus 2x, 2 minus 1. Okay. The most simplified part. And the last step says multiply both differentiation. Okay. So I have just put in a multiply sign over there. I'm not multiplying it. I have just put in a multiply sign over here. So what will be the final thing? Simplifying this, 3, 1 minus x plus x square. 3 minus 1 will be 2. Simplifying this one, 0 will be long gone. Okay, this will become 1 minus 1, power will become 0. So over here minus 1 will remain. Plus 2x, 2 minus 1 will be 1. And both differentiation are multiplied. Any question, any query, you can WhatsApp it to me better. Anything, I'm here. Okay, anything you want to ask, you can ask over here better. Right? I hope it is clear to you guys. If there is any question, you can ask, or otherwise I am moving ahead. No question at all? Right. So, Anya, beta, is it clear to you? We are talking about question number 2. C part I am going to do. The question says 6 over 2 minus x whole square. Okay. This is the question given to us. Okay. And then they are telling us that I have to differentiate this thing. So I look to the question. A single denominator is given under a single numerator. So what I can do over here in the simplified form, if I want to simplify it first, so I will be doing it 6 2 minus x. Okay, what I have done from denominator, I have shifted that thing to numerator, right? What I have done, whatever was in the denominator, I have shifted it in numerator. Okay, Hassan, beta coefficient of bracket means this thing. Okay, right now over here, the coefficient of bracket is 6. Any number which is written outside the bracket. Okay, so that is not the variable. We will not take variable as a coefficient. We will take only number as the coefficient. Okay, so over here my number is 6. So that is my coefficient and I will be multiplying my power with the coefficient. Okay, Hassan, is it clear to you? Right. So first I have simplified. My second step is power minus 2 multiplied by 6. So minus 2 multiplied by coefficient of bracket, right? 2 minus x, power of bracket is reduced by 1. That's the first step. What I have done, I am telling you again, beta, coefficient, whole power of the bracket is multiplied by coefficient. Okay, and whatever was written inside is written as it is. Is written as it is, no change. Then power is reduced by 1. Then power is reduced by 1. After this, now I am differentiating whatever is inside the bracket. So 2, that is a constant, will become 0, and minus x will be, the power of x is 1. So minus 1 x to the power 1 minus 1. When you will be solving this bracket, you will forget about power. If it is negative, it is positive, it is in thousands, doesn't make any difference. When I am going to differentiate whatever is inside the bracket, I will forget about whatever is the power outside. The power outside the bracket is solved over here. So over here, I am only solving whatever is inside the bracket. Okay, beta? So simplifying it, minus 12, 2 minus x minus 3, and simplifying this, so 0 will be gone and this will be minus 1. Okay, I hope I am clear till this point. Now after this, what I am going to do, now this thing is there, I am solving it over here, beta. So minus 1 multiplied by minus 12 will become plus 12, and 2 minus x minus 3 will become 2 minus x whole cube. This is power in minus, so I've shifted it in denominator and it becomes plus. Okay, nothing else can be done. So that is my answer over here. Anything not clear to you guys, you can ask. This is my new question, under root x square plus 2x plus 2, and they are telling us to differentiate this one. Okay, so what we are going to do, first of all, I will be shifting it in a whole power form, right? So this thing can be written as x square plus 2x plus 2 whole power half. Okay, I have written it in whole power form. After that, differentiate with respect to x. Okay, and differentiating with respect to x. 1 minute, let me write it clearly so you guys differentiate with respect to x. So first of all, whole power will be multiplied by coefficient, and what is the coefficient over here? Nothing is written, so it is 1. So then whatever is written inside the bracket will remain same, and then half minus 1. Okay, half minus 1, that is over there, right? So what we are going to do over here in this one, beta, first thing, it is a whole power question, so I have written my whole power over here, and then power is reduced by 1, and whatever was inside I have written it as it is. Now my next step, differentiating whatever is inside the term. So 2x plus 2, 2x plus 2. Okay, the differentiation of x square will be 2x, differentiation of 2x will be 2, and differentiation of 2 will be 0. Nothing is needed over there because it's a constant. So that is my answer, and I have put in a multiply sign over here. Right? Now simplifying it further, half this thing with power minus half, x square plus 2x plus 2, half minus 1 will be minus half. Okay, and then this thing is written 2x plus 2. Right? We don't like our answers with negative power, so what will I do? I will shift it. It's written in a multiple of 1. I will shift it downward, writing it in this form. Okay. After that, what is remaining? In the numerator, 1 multiplied by 2x plus 2. Now at this point, it's your choice. You want to leave your answer over here? Leave it. Doesn't make any difference. Because they are saying only different. Okay, only differentiating. They are not saying simplify by differentiation. So I have just differentiated it, and I can leave it over there if you want to, or what I can do, I can take 2 common from here, 2x plus 1 upon 2, and this thing has got power half. So what will I do? X square plus 2x plus 2, right? 2 and 2 can be cancelled, and my final answer will be x plus 1 over under root x square plus 2x plus 2. That will be my final answer, or this can also be my final answer. But when I say no multiply, like in the steps of solution, I've told you to write multiply, or I've said multiply both of them. It only means you just have to put a multiply sign over there, or you just have to keep them in multiply form. That's it. You don't have to multiply if you don't want to, leave it over there. Okay, so this is the thing. And the question says 1 upon 1 minus 1 over x whole cube. Okay, this is my question. 1 over, in the denominator, 1 minus 1 over x bracket close whole cube. I have to differentiate this thing. Now, whenever we are differentiating till this point, we haven't solved any differentiation of a fraction. So what I have to do, I have to remove my fraction from there, and I have to shift it So what will I do when I will shift it upward? 1 minus 1 over x whole power minus 3. Okay. My step is clear. What I have done, I have taken my denominator and I have shifted it in numerator. Okay. In this way, the fraction will be gone, and I have got a single term which is not in a fraction. Okay. Now, over here there is a whole power, and I can't expand this whole power because it's a minus 3. So I can't expand this whole power. So what will we do? Minus 3. Now I'm differentiating it. Differentiate with respect to x. Right? So I'm going to differentiate with respect to x. And in the question, as I have got a whole power, so first of all, I'm going to differentiate the whole power. And what do we mean by differentiation of whole power? It means the whole power will be multiplied by coefficient of bracket. There is nothing written, so I will say there is a 1. So minus 3, that is the whole power, multiplied by 1, that is the coefficient of bracket. And power is reduced by 1. Okay? And whatever is inside the bracket, that will remain same. There will be no change in it. There will be no change in it. When I'm working with whole power, you don't have to change anything which is inside the bracket. Okay? What will you do? I'm repeating it again, beta. We will take whole power, and whole power will be multiplied, whole power of the bracket will be multiplied by the coefficient of bracket, and then whole power will be reduced by 1. Whatever is written inside the bracket, that will remain same. We will have no change in that. Rija, beta, is it clear to you? Rija, beta, is it clear? Hello? Rija, are you there?
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Okay, and Ashar, beta, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And what about Asfar? Asfar, beta, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Because you guys were missed yesterday, that's why. Okay, so that's why I'm asking from you guys. Okay. After this, the second step. This is the first step in which I have differentiated my whole power. But my differentiation is not complete because I have got something inside also. So what will I do? I will differentiate that also. 1 minus 1 over x. Now, inside the bracket, if I am watching, I am also seeing a fraction over here. So I am trying to change it. I am just working over here. This thing can also be written like this. 1 minus x inverse minus 3. Just to make my differentiation easy. Otherwise, if I'm going to differentiate this thing, so I have to write it over here like this. Otherwise, I will not be able to differentiate because we haven't learned any other method till now. So, what I have done, I have changed this thing. When it was outside the bracket, I have changed fraction in non-fraction, and whatever was inside is also changed in a non-fraction form. So now, if you want to change this thing also according to this, that's your choice. If you don't want to change it, you want to keep it in this form, that's also okay. Because we are differentiating this thing, not this one. That's your choice. Okay? So, differentiating this. Now I'm differentiating whatever is inside the bracket without considering my whole power. My power is now gone for me because I have differentiated it. Now what I am differentiating? I am differentiating this part. Okay? 1 minute, beta. Let me just. So differentiating this, differentiation of a constant. Amina, beta, what will be the result of differentiation of a constant? Amina Kamal,
Yes.
when we differentiate a constant, what will be the answer, beta?
When we differentiate a constant, 3 minus 3 minus 3 minus 1 x.
Okay, listen, Amina, and all of you also. Whenever I say differentiation of a constant, so differentiation of a constant is always what, Amina?
0.
Is always 0. Okay? Is it clear to everyone? Whenever I am going to differentiate any constant, the result will always be 0. Now, coming to this one, minus x to the power minus 1. Minus x to the power minus 1. What will I do? Power minus 1 will be multiplied by this. So it will become plus 1. And power will be reduced by 1. No whole power will be there. Okay? Whole power work is done over here. Right now I am differentiating only what is written inside the bracket. So there will be no whole power written at this point. Now simplifying it, this will become minus 3, 1 minus 1 over x, minus 3 minus 1 will become minus 4, 0 will be gone, x power minus 2. Okay? Negative powers are not acceptable in our answers. So what I am going to do, I am going to change it. Minus 3 will remain minus 3. This whole bracket have got power as minus 4. So I will be converting it 1 minus 1 over x whole power 4. And this x has a power of minus 2. So I'm shifting that also in denominator plus 2. You want to leave your answer over here, you can leave it. Or otherwise, I can also write it like this. 1 minus 1 over x whole power 4. Okay, these two are the way in which you can solve your question. Okay, any confusion, anything you want to ask, you guys can ask better right now. Any query, Rija, beta, anything you want to ask? Alicia?
Sir, if we differentiated the bracket, then why are we multiplying the differentiated form and the form?
The thing is that the rule says, I've yesterday given them the rule. I'm telling you also, Ashal, Asfar, and Rija. Beta, the rule says that first of all we will differentiate the whole power. Okay, differentiating whole power means multiplying my whole power with the coefficient of the bracket and then reducing it by 1. Okay, and whatever is written inside the bracket, that will remain same. That's my first step. My second step is differentiate whatever is written inside the bracket. That's my second step. And my third step says multiply both differentiation. That is the rule. Okay, so that's why I have multiplied it. Rija, is it clear now, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Aisha, beta, you want to ask something?
Sir, when you differentiated the bracket, the 1 minus 1 upon x, how did it become plus in the next step?
Okay, beta. Listen, what is the power over here? Minus 1. power of variable will be multiplied by coefficient. So minus 1 multiplied by minus will be plus. So in power, from the power, I am going to subtract minus 1. So minus 1 will become minus 2. Any confusion, beta? Aisha, clear? Okay. Hassan, yes, beta.
Sir, I wanted to ask that, for example, if you are given a question and we have the choice either to simplify it first and then differentiate, or should we differentiate directly without simplifying it first?
So I would prefer that simplify it first. But that is just my preference. If you want to go with differentiation directly, again, it's your choice. But if I am doing that question, I will always prefer that let's simplify it first and then differentiate.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Any other question, beta? You can raise your hand or you can unmute yourself and you can ask. No?
Sir,
Yeah, beta.
it's a general query. I mean, I get the sum and all, but for example, when you shifted x into minus 1, like its power was minus 1 because you shifted 1 upon x into x power minus 1, right?
Yeah.
So why didn't you do that same thing in the other, voila, the first bracket?
This one?
Can't we do that? Yes, there.
Yeah, you can do it over here, bro. Listen, beta, the thing is that the differentiation is a very new topic for you. Okay, that's why I'm going very slowly. Okay, so that's why I'm explaining every step like this. Once you will have the command on that, you can run like this one. What I could have done, I could have directly taken it from here and I could have brought it over here. You guys will get confused. कि यार ये क्या हो गया? Okay, that's why I'm doing it step by step. Once you guys are done, you guys are having command, take it directly, bring it over here, or take it directly and differentiate also. I have no issue in that. Clear? Okay. Any other question, beta? Right. I think I am not having any other question. So I am giving you a question to simplify. Okay. And you guys try to solve it. Okay, the question says, that is your question number 4E of exercise 15.2. Okay, and the question says x minus 1 over x whole cube. Okay, differentiate it. Okay. Okay, right. So, Abhiya, beta, are you done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Hassan, please join your
Yes,
module.
sir.
Yes, Hassan, what you have done first?
Sir, I first use the whole power and then differentiate the whole power first.
Okay, Hassan has differentiate with respect to x. Okay, acha beta, do one thing, all of you, when you are doing your homework in the next class, be careful when you, like, if no y is written over here, right now I'm not using the word of dy over dx. So when you are starting differentiation now, use this thing. Differentiate with respect to x, so I can know that after this you have started differentiation, right? So it will be easier for me. Once we will start using dy over dx, then we don't use this statement. Okay, right? So Hassan, what do you have written over here?
Sir, 3
Okay,
bracket x minus 1 upon x bracket close to the power 2.
power 2. Okay, Abhiya, ji beta, what do you have done?
Well, the same thing.
Okay, after that,
After that, I differentiated the bracket.
okay, so how you have differentiated it?
Multiplied by bracket open
Okay,
x1 minus 1, x to the power 1 minus 1,
x to the power 1 minus 1. Okay,
minus x to the power minus 1, plus x to the power minus 1,
plus x to the power minus 1. Like this,
minus 1, minus 1.
minus 1 minus 1. Okay, now this is the differentiated part. Okay, and Abhiya has done it directly. Abia has done it directly. That's why she has got this answer. But if you are not getting it, how she has got this answer? So you can see inside the bracket there is a fraction. So I'm first changing it in a non-fraction. Again, it is for your basic understanding, beta. It is nothing to do with your question. If you are doing it even directly like this, it's okay. No problem in that. Aspar, beta, have you done it?
Yes, sir.
So, can you tell me what should I do after this step?
X to the power 1 minus 1 will be 1
1,
plus 1 upon x square.
1 over x square. And what should I do over here?
We'll write the same thing.
We will write the same thing. No change in that. We will write the same thing, and both of them are in product form. Okay, so this is how we are going to do this question. Okay, unfortunately for today we have just got this much time. So if you have any confusion, you can WhatsApp it to me. Okay, and those who haven't submitted their homework, beta, submit it before 3. Okay, or you need more time also. Those who haven't done. Is it okay? You can do it till 3 because today is Jummah also. So do you want me to extend some time or you can do it before 3? Yes. Come on everyone. I want answers those who haven't done.
Yes, sir, we can do it by pay.
Right, beta. So, right. So that's all from my side. Thank you, class. Allah Hafiz.